So you're either going to need long reach needle nose. I've been using these. They work out pretty good. I don't really have any complaints, other than I wish they reached a little further. As you can see, there's quite a difference there. So sticking keepers on, you know, it's kind of monotonous, really. It sucks. I don't like this. This isn't a fun part. This thing has been absolutely full of surprises, but they're solvable, so not too much complaining. These are gonna go right here though, because these do not go in my toolbox. These go in my truck, my work truck. So here we go. So I'll do a few on like kind of how the tool works. And we'll start putting some keepers on. All right, here we go. Stick your springs, not like that. You want to be gentle-ish. And this is where did the camera catch that? Ah, man. So I have a whole nother head to do after this. So it's fun. You take and you see it's got a cutout here. Drop it on. Run the bolt down. This next part kind of helps. Plug your hand in. I just hold the bottom of the valve. And you really only need to go down as far as you need to go down. Again, every head's maybe a little different, but I found that this works the best. The old blue points. You know, I hate to say this, but you're kind of like all in my way. All right. The light is kind of convenient now. Oh, got lucky on that one. So see, I actually took this a little too far down. You know, you see all these like montages. Like you watch movies, whatever, of them like, I'll never forget, the biggest one was like Fast and Furious, Tokyo Drift. That was big. I like the old Fast and the Furious, but Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, there was this whole cut scene where they're wrenching on the cars as buddies, and this is after when he's about to race DK, and I believe they're RB swapping that Mustang. I think it's an RB, but it's a retrofit. It's a swap, and they just show like wrenching on it, and then, you know, getting it in the car, and you're like, oh man, that's cool, you know, or I was. And then you do it in real life, and it's like, you know, for the most part, if you've got car buddies, they're probably wrenching on their shit too, while you're wrenching on yours. So then, you're out here alone, basically, working on your car. And then the worst part is, it doesn't happen fast. There's no sped up montage. It's just fighting little valve keepers. The keeper down, or holds the keeper in place. Well, that's it. You can bust this off. So